This is a project in Northwest San Antonio. It was an insurance claim. The homeowner sustained a lot of hail damage. There were solar panels involved. So I got the insurance company to approve the home for full roof replacement. A little bit more complicated job. It involves solar panels. At first, the insurance company did not want to pay to detach and reset these solar panels, but I argued on the homeowner's behalf to get for them to pay for it, because it is in their policy and they are obligated to pay for it. So I argued on behalf of the homeowner, stating that it's in their policy and that they should pay for that, detach and reset these solar panels. Here are the solar panels over here. Normally, I don't like solar panels stored on premises, but they stored them far enough away from the job where it shouldn't be a problem. Again, this is an insurance claim, hail damage. I got the insurance to pay for full roof replacement. I am a licensed and certified Texas insurance adjuster. So if you need me to help navigate the complicated insurance claims process, give me a call. Do free roof inspections, free estimates, retail and insurance. So if you like your home looked at, especially hail damage, San Antonio, Northwest San Antonio got a lot of hail, April 13th, 2019. So a lot of these homes are insurance claims. So give me a call if you need your roof looked at. Have a happy new year. Thank you.